In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging Facebook post using Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone who wants to jazz up their social media presence, Canva is an excellent tool for creating eye-catching graphics with minimal effort. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First things first, we need to open Canva. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account or sign up for a free account if it's your first time. Once you're in, the user-friendly interface will be your creative playground. Now, focus your attention on the top of the page and locate the search bar. This is where you can type in Facebook post. This will pull up a wide range of pre-sized templates specifically designed for Facebook, making it super easy to ensure that your post will fit perfectly on your timeline. Once you type in Facebook post and hit enter, you'll see a variety of templates displayed across the screen. Here's where the fun begins. You have the freedom to choose from a plethora of styles and themes. Whether you prefer something more minimalistic or a design that is full of vibrant colors and intricate patterns, Canva has something for everyone. Next, go ahead and click on the template that catches your eye. Canva offers countless templates to choose from, so trust your instinct and select the one that fits your vision. After clicking the template, move to the top right corner and click Customize this template. With this action, you'll enter the design space where the transformation of this template into a personalized masterpiece begins. Now it's time to let your creativity flourish. The text on the template is fully editable, so click on any text box to start typing. Feel free to change the wording, update any information, or add your personal touch. It's very intuitive, so don't be afraid to experiment. Also, you have the flexibility to change the color scheme and font style to match your brand or personal taste. Canva makes it easy to scroll through different fonts and customize colors, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your desired look. If you'd like to bring in your own imagery, Canva makes it straightforward. Simply drag an image from your uploads directly onto the design, effortlessly replacing any placeholder images and tailoring it exactly how you envision. By following these steps, you'll find that you now have a beautifully customized Facebook post ready to go. Whether for marketing purposes, event announcements, or just sharing a thought, you've created a professional-looking post with ease. Congratulations on your design skills. Thank you so much for watching and happy designing on Canva.